We're leaving Boracay. What are your thoughts?
Huwag daw kayong tumingin sa kanila.
Mayonnaise? Hi sir, she likes.
So stay there, bro.
Do I have to move?
Are you acting?
There's sand everywhere.
That's
What movie is this? I want to watch it.
Yeah, I reckon it's one of the beautiful area, bro. Actual making, sir.
What was this made out of?
Australian dollar.
$2.
Using the
and this one is
no
a,
machine.
No machine, no fire, no electricity. This one is a 10 peso Philippine coin. This one.
Made out of this.
Yes, 10 peso coin.
Crazy.
Try one, ma, sir, so you can see. What design you like, ma'am? I can make like related to the island design also.
20 minutes?
Yes, 20 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
You have my word. If I didn't make it before 20 minutes, I give this ring for free.
Okay. Shiny. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Jess, Jess, Boracay. Boracay Queen Ring Artist.
For the first time. It's not even good, is it?
It's like a twisty.
I don't like twisties. Say bye.